Hello friends, so in this session you will be understanding how to remember the trigonometric table with easy and crystal clear concepts and not just by heart the numbers. Okay my dear friends? Fine. So it's my sincere request to each and every one of you that please watch this video till the end and focus 100% on this video now. Okay, so let's start. So what we will do is we will list down the standard angles with respect to this angle named theta. Okay, and those standard angles are nothing but 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and finally 90 degrees. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Now we will list down the different 6 ratios that we have learned in our earlier introductory lectures. Okay, and those 6 ratios are nothing but sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and finally the cosec theta. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Now what we will do is we will prepare a working note on this top column over here, and this is just for our remembering purpose and not to prepare in the exams. Okay, so this is just for our remembering purpose. So we write working note over here. Fine. And we label each and every of this row as 0, 1, 2, 3. So now what we will do is we will take a square root of each and every fraction that you are seeing in the working note column. So we put a square root sign over here, we put a square root sign over here, and similarly we will put a square root sign to the remaining fractions that we are seeing in the working note column. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Now what we will do is we will find the values of each of these fractions. So 0 upon 4 ka whole root can be written as 0. Okay, that's very obvious. Similarly, root 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 2. Root 2 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon root 2. Similarly, root 3 upon 4 can be written as root 3 upon 2. And finally, root 4 upon 4 can be written as 1. Right my dear friends? Fine. Now, understand this trick very carefully. You have obtained the values of sin theta with respect to this following degrees: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Now we will find these values for the cos theta. Okay, and how to do that? There is a simple trick for that. Just observe the animation. I won't be saying anything. Observing the animation itself will be enough for you. Okay, so have a look over here now. Okay my dear friends? Fine. So what we did is उल्टा फुल्टा, जो स्टार्ट में था वो लास्ट में गया और जो लास्ट में है वो स्टार्ट में आ गया. Okay my dear friends? So remembering this part is a piece of a cake for us. So we have obtained the values of cos theta for those standard angles which are nothing but 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Now we'll be finding the values for tan theta, and for that we should have one thing in our back of our mind, which is nothing but there is a certain relation of tan theta with sin theta and cos theta. And what is that relation my dear friends? Yes, tan theta is equals to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. So what we will do is simply observe the animation over here. We will divide sin theta by the cos theta. So 0 upon 1 is nothing but 0. 1 upon 2, the whole upon root 3 upon 2 can be written as 2 and 2 cancels over here. So 1 upon root 3. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Similarly, 1 upon root 2, the whole upon 1 upon root 2 can be written as 1. Okay? So because if we take a reciprocal and multiply, अगर हम लोग यहाँ से division से उठा के multiplication करेंगे तो इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. And what we get is root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. So we are left with 1 over here. Fine. Similarly, root 3 upon 2, the whole upon 1 upon 2. So this can be written as root 3. And finally, 1 upon 0 can be written as not defined. Okay, it is not defined. Remember this my dear friends. Fine. So now what we did is we obtained the values of tan theta for those standard angles. Now we will move ahead and find the values of cot theta over here now. So for that what we will do is again ulta fulta. Just observe the animation. I am not going to say even a single word over here now. So here we go. उल्टा फुल्टा होना चालू हो गया, यहाँ पे भी चालू हुआ, yes and yes. Okay, fine. So this was just a piece of a cake for obtaining the values for cot theta for the standard angles, right my dear friends? Fine. Finally, we will find the values of sec theta over here now, but for that you should know what is the relation between sec theta and cos theta. In my introductory lecture we had learned that there are interrelation between the ratios, right, where we had observed that sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. Okay my dear friends? Fine. So what we learn by this is that sec theta is actually the reciprocal of cos theta. मतलब cos theta का उल्टा sec theta हो जाएगा. उल्टा मतलब reciprocal. So the reciprocal of this one is nothing but 1 itself. Okay, so we write over 1 over here. Finally, root 3 upon 2 can be written as reciprocal like 2 upon root 3. Similarly, 1 upon root 2 can be written as root 2. 1 upon 2 can be written as 2 upon 1 or 2. Okay, and this 0 is nothing but not defined. Okay my dear friends? Fine. Now what we will do is we will finally find out the values of cosec theta, and for that what we will do is just move the values as observed on the screen. मतलब फिर से animation, I am not going to say even a single word to you all. Fine. So we move ulta fulta, everything is happening on the screen now. 2 upon root 3 shifts here, root 2 at same place, 2 shifts on the left, and finally not defined over here. Alright my dear friends? Fine. So this was the trick for remembering the trigonometric table with logics and concepts and not just by hearting the numbers. Alright my dear friends? Fine. So I hope you like my video. Please click on the like, comment and share my videos with as many people as possible, and subscribe to my channel. Fine my dear friends?